Hello and namaste. Greetings in Khukuri House and welcome guys, welcome. Welcome to another video by this house. I hope you Kukri lovers are doing well and you are ready for another video coming out of Khukuri House. Alright guys, I hope you are well and you are enjoying the videos I've come out so far. Okay, today I want to make this video a little different like my last one. So this time this video is not about a product video, but then this video will be a restoration video. That's right, guys, you heard it right. I was very lucky enough to have a very lovely, very old MK3 Kukri belonging to an ex-Gorkha, Indian Gorkha soldier whose Kukri was in a very dire straight condition, and his family member, he brought it to Khukuri House and he wanted to have it restored, bring the Kukri back to life. All right, guys, so let you see the Kukri. Here it is. This is your very old MK3 Kukri. Check this out. Made in India, Indian origin, 12-inch blade. There you go. You can see the handle is coming off. It's holding with the rubber bands. So, all right, guys. So this is the MK3 Kukri, and this is gonna be restored in a couple of days. All right, guys. So this is pretty much it for today. I'll come back to this video after a few days and let you see how the restoration process was completed. All right, guys. Stay tuned. I'll be back shortly. Bye. Hello and namaste. Greetings in Khukuri House and welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Do you remember a few days ago I had the old MK3 Kukri that needed some desperate restoration? Well, yes, if you do remember, I had the Kukri sent back to the workshop to get it restored on the very same day, and now it's been a couple of days, so I have received it. It is right here at the moment, all covered up, and I'm gonna begin the countdown and let's see how the restoration process was completed. Okay, all right, guys. So 5 4 3 2 1 and ta-da! There you go, guys. This is the old MK3 Kukri. It has been restored, and now this Kukri is unrecognizable. It has a case, all the rust, black surface has been removed. It has a lovely buffalo horn handle as requested by the customer, and this Kukri has come back to life. Alright, guys, let me bring the Kukri close up and you can see it for yourself. There we go. Buffalo horn handle. There you go. There we go, guys. Okay. Check out its case. Water buffalo in the case with the karda and the chakmas. And then when you have the Kukri into its case, this is what the Kukri looks like now. Alright, guys, so the MK3 restoration process has been completed and this is a mission well accomplished. Alright, guys, so before I wrap up the video, I will leave you all with all the footage that I have captured that was taken during the process, during the restoration process. So you guys keep on continuing with the video. For now, I will take my leave. I will catch you guys on another video. Until then, you guys take care. Jai Kukri and Namaste. Bye. ल भनिदिनुहोस् ल।
यो खुकुरी चाहिँ मेरो पुरानो ठुलो ड्याडीको जस खुकुरी चाहिँ यो म बनाउन लिएको थिएँ, एकदम राम्रो बनाइदिनुहोस् दाइले। त्यसको लागि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दाइलाई। थ्याङ्क यू।
वेलकम, धन्यवाद।
थ्याङ्क यू दाइ।